This 2019 Winnebago Minnie 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features external shower, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, stove top burner, refrigerator, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.